If you're dyslexic, writing essays or reports can be incredibly frustrating at times. There's a tool that can help you with this. It's called Grammarly. So it's a free plugin, easy to use. It automatically detects grammar, spelling, punctuation, word choice, and style mistakes in your writing. There's a quick video to show you how to download it and install it in your computer, and what it looks like when you're using it. So type in Grammarly, just put GRA. It takes you to this page, and click on it. When you first go on to the page, it'll allow you to add it to Chrome. So you do need to set up an account, but it doesn't take long. I already have one, so I'll log in. And scroll down to Apps. Grammarly for Microsoft Office. Click Install and Activate. And Grammarly for Chrome. Install and activate. You can use it for Windows as well if you want to install that. So it should automatically install onto your system. And when you open up Word, it should be on it. It's on the right hand side. So you type something in. Just type it how you would normally type it. You can see quite clearly a couple of spelling mistakes. Or if you're dyslexic, you won't see the spelling mistakes. And it looks normal. So right click on to the top hand side where the Grammarly icon is, and here we'll show you all the spelling mistakes, and just click on them to change it. Have a quick read over to see if it looks like something, or it looks correct, and that's you. This is also amazing if you upload online content. So like for YouTube videos, Grammarly is automatically on the Google Chrome now, and you can see right away it starts helping you out with all these spelling mistakes. That can be annoying at times. And there, that's it. Pretty useful, pretty handy. I use it all the time, and I used it all the time at uni as well. So thanks for watching this. So yeah, I hope that was helpful. I'm going to upload another video, and this is a helpful hack to start writing essays. Thanks.